Introducing the Tohnichi DOTE1000N3-MD Torque Tester with motor drive, the ultimate solution for precise and efficient torque measurement. Engineered by Tohnichi, this advanced torque tester combines state-of-the-art technology with user-friendly features to elevate your quality control processes. With its high-precision sensor, the DOTE1000N3-MD delivers accurate and reliable torque measurements, ensuring consistent quality control in your assembly operations. The integrated motor drive enables smooth and consistent torque application, streamlining your testing procedures and improving efficiency. The wide torque range of this tester accommodates various applications, from small electronic devices to heavy-duty industrial components. The intuitive control panel features a clear display and user-friendly buttons, allowing operators to navigate settings and view results effortlessly. The DOTE1000N3-MD also provides data output capabilities, enabling you to store and analyze test results for further evaluation and documentation. With its robust construction and compact design, this torque tester is built to withstand the rigors of industrial use while maintaining exceptional accuracy and reliability. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the Tohnichi DOTE1000N3-MD Torque Tester with motor drive. Trust in the precision, efficiency, and durability of this advanced tool to take your quality control processes to the next level.